Good evening, handy friends. Tonight I am going to be making Mullein Bundles. Mullein smoke is beneficial for the lungs and can medicinally help clear the lungs of toxins. Native Americans smoked mullein to relieve themselves of asthma, colds, shortness of breath, pulmonary complaints, and many other things. Mullein is commonly used in herbal tobacco recipes, so don't hesitate to inhale your smudge bundles when you burn them. Mullein is great for the mind and helps to bring peace into your home. Smudging mullein before bed can help you with a restful night's sleep. Mullein grows all over the world and it thrives in full sun. It also loves rocky soils and is commonly found along pathways. Always harvest your plants ethically by only taking 10% of something from one plant. Mullein is known for pulling toxins out of soil, so be sure wherever you're harvesting your mullein is non-polluted area. The bigger the leaves, the better. I'm actually collecting these leaves specifically for tea, these baby leaves, and I will dry them out. But I am harvesting the big leaves to make these smudge bundles. If your leaves are damaged, they will still work just great for this project. You can use first or second year mullein for this project as it is a biennial. Mullein leaves are also great kindles, so if you have any extra left over, make sure you save them as they have a variety of other uses. I have several other mullein videos and smudge videos you would love, so be sure to check them out after this video. If you have crafted with mullein leaves before, be sure you comment below and share with me any other wonderful ideas, as this is one of my favorite wild harvested herbs. Next, we will fresh wilt our leaves, which means to lay them out overnight and let some of the moisture evaporate out of them. Choose your embroidery floss. And here I have some really pretty embroidery floss and some scissors. So this is all you're going to need to do it. It's really easy. I kind of sorted these by size. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these large ones and I'm going to make large bundles here. I'm just gonna roll my leaves. And these are almost to the point where I was hesitant to use them because they're getting so dry. But this is what I harvested them for, and this is what I wanted to use them for. I already have leaves downstairs dried for tea. This mullein is really good for respiratory issues. The leaves are, and it also smells really good when burned. So see how I'm tucking it in really tight? I want it to be a really tight roll, and it looks like this is going to be quite a small little bundle stick, but that's fine. So you just roll it like that, roll it really tight, and then go ahead and tie it. I got my embroidery floss pre-cut, but what you're going to want to do is just tie it like you would a shoelace, the first step of tying your shoes. Now see how it's coming unrolled? Just roll it back up. Roll it back up and try to keep it rolled, and then I like to go up mine really pretty and make it look all crisscrossed nicely, but you can just really just wrap it up there if you want to. Now you want to wrap it really tightly. As I did there, it kind of looks like it's choking it out a little bit, but as this material inside dries, it's going to shrink down a little bit. So I'm wrapping it tightly. And then once I get to the end, I'm just going to tie it again, like a shoelace. Tie it really tight. And this one's a little bit thinner than I prefer. So here we have our beautiful mullein bundle. They're really easy to make and pretty cheap as well. I'm going to lay my bundle out to dry. I don't want to light it until it's completely dry. After approximately 2 to 3 weeks, your smudge will be ready to burn. Be sure when you are ready to use your smudge, you have something to catch the ashes. This is my ethically harvested abalone shell that I have used in other smudge videos. I really love it, and it does a wonderful job at collecting the ashes. These smudges were so fun to make, and they smell so beautiful when they burn. If you like what you see, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more great how-to videos. And stay handy, friends!